YouTube is a popular platform that provides a great opportunity for individuals and businesses to earn money. Here are the 5 steps to start earning money from YouTube. Set up a YouTube channel. To start earning money on YouTube, you need to have a YouTube channel. To set up a channel, you will need to create a Google account and sign up for YouTube. Once your channel is set up, you can start uploading videos and building your audience. Create quality content. To be successful on YouTube, you need to create high-quality content that provides value to your viewers. Your content should be unique, engaging, and consistent. You can create a variety of content, including tutorials, vlogs, reviews, and more. Grow your audience. Once you have quality content, you need to grow your audience. You can do this by promoting your videos on social media, collaborating with other YouTubers, and engaging with your viewers. As your audience grows, you will be able to earn more money from YouTube. Monetize your videos. To start earning money from your videos, you need to monetize your channel. You can do this by enabling monetization in your YouTube account and meeting the YouTube Partner Program requirements. Once your channel is monetized, you will be able to earn money from ads, sponsorships, and other forms of revenue. Optimize for ad revenue. To maximize your earnings from ads, you need to optimize your videos for ad revenue. This includes making sure your videos are of high quality and engaging, as well as using keywords and tags to help your videos show up in search results. Additionally, you can experiment with different monetization strategies, such as using mid-roll ads, sponsored content, and more, to find what works best for you. In conclusion, earning money from YouTube takes time, effort, and patience, but it can be a great way to make passive income. By creating quality content, growing your audience, and optimizing for ad revenue, you can start earning money from your YouTube channel.